Hi everyone, let's talk about a puzzle called End Where You Start. This is a puzzle that's inspired by a certain fact. It's that if you're standing in the North Pole and you're told to go 1 mile south, then 1 mile east, then 1 mile north, then you'll land back in the North Pole, as you can see from the diagram. The only issue is that if you're told to go 1 mile south from the North Pole, it's not really well defined what that means because you could go 1 mile in any southern direction and it would still satisfy this property. So the path itself is not well defined. So here's the puzzle. Are there any other points other than the North Pole such that if you were to go 1 mile south, then 1 mile east, then 1 mile north, you would land back where you started? And secondly, the path needs to be well defined. It can't be like the North Pole where going 1 mile south is not well defined. So I'll wait 5 seconds. You should pause the video and think about it, and then I'll cover the solution. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look at the solution. The answer is yes, it is possible. And here's the general idea. What you want to do is consider a latitudinal circle that is very close to the South Pole, such that the circumference of that circle, so that's the lower circle in this diagram, is exactly 1 mile. So if you start anywhere 1 mile above that, so that's any point on the dotted circle on top in this diagram, if you start anywhere on the dotted circle and you go 1 mile south, then going 1 mile east will allow you to do a full revolution, and then you can go back 1 mile up and you'll land back where you started. So it's a very clever solution and it creates infinitely many more solutions than just one. But what if I told you that there are even more solutions? Let's consider that possibility. So the idea is that instead of having one full revolution in the lower circle, you have an integer, positive integer number of revolutions. So you go around the lower circle some positive integer number of times, and you then go back 1 mile up. So you just need to start 1 mile on top or above the lower circle. So this brings you closer and closer to the South Pole until it becomes a bit impractical because a human body has its own dimensions. So you can only go so close to the South Pole. Like if you're going a trillion times around the lower circle, it doesn't really make sense. But theoretically, it is possible if you assume that the human body is a particle with no dimensions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.